Why hello my magical friends, welcome back. In today's video, we're sharing our stay at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort, a fun, budget-friendly option for families visiting Walt Disney World. From the larger-than-life Disney characters to the kid-friendly pool, food options, and everything in between. We're giving you a full review from a family of 5 perspective. If you're planning a Disney trip with little ones, this resort might be perfect for you.
Hello everyone, today it is day 3 of our vacation. Really it's day 2, but you get my drift. And we are transferring hotels. We have made it to the All-Star Movies Hotel and we are so excited to be here. We got the Mighty Ducks section, so we are very excited as millennials. If you know Mighty Ducks, you know they're awesome. But today is going to be a pool day because it's pretty cloudy. We were gonna go to the water park, but we have some food that we want to put in the fridge. So we figured a pool day here at the resort would be perfect and just kind of really relax, get settled in. Tomorrow we might go to the water park, maybe Monday. We'll see. There's a hurricane coming, typical Florida. So we're not sure what's gonna happen, but we're excited to be here.
Let's take a look inside a Disney All-Star Movies Resort room. These are value resort rooms, but Disney still brings the magic. Most rooms are themed with fun touches from classic Disney movies like 101 Dalmatians, Fantasia, Toy Story, but we happen to be in the Mighty Ducks, and if you're a millennial, you know I was living life. The standard rooms sleep up to 4 people, and the preferred rooms are located closer to the lobby, food court, and transportation area, but the Mighty Ducks are actually closer to the music resort, which is super convenient because you're really close to the food court from there. And at the check-in, they let us know that we could actually use that food court. The layout includes 1 queen bed and 1 Murphy-style pull-down bed, which doubles as a table when not in use. So it's super helpful for small spaces and family snacks. You'll find a mini fridge, coffee maker, hair dryer, and lots of Disney themed touches in the artwork and details. The bathroom has a sliding door for privacy and a separate vanity area and shelves for organizing all the sunscreen and Mickey ears, as well as your strollers if you're like us. It's cozy, clean, and a great place to crash after a long day at the parks. Just don't be surprised if your kid thinks the giant Buzz Lightyear outside is the main attraction. As a family of 5, the Murphy bed came super handy because at night we would pull it down and then during the day we would just place it back up to have more space. We were also able to set up 2 pack and plays. I did not film it unfortunately, but trust me, 2 pack and plays can fit in this room. Although they seem a little small, they are very comfortable, especially if you are the type of family that comes to the parks and stays all day and really only comes back for nap times as well as the night. So I think that these value resorts are fantastic if you're the type of person that just wants to dive into the theme parks and have somewhere nice, clean, and comfortable to stay the night. That is a Walt Disney Resort with transportation to the parks. Alright, so this is where we checked in, and this is our building. She said that we can actually walk to the Melody Hall, which is the All-Star Resort Music. We're in the movie one. And so we're gonna go eat here because it's closer than walking all the way out here. Plus, they said I think their kitchen is down, only mobile order is happening right now. So we're just gonna go here. The Intermission Food Court is the primary dining venue at Disney's All-Star Music Resort, located within the Melody Hall building. It's a very vibrant music-themed food court that offers a variety of quick service options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The dining area is spacious, featuring colorful decor that really reflects the resort's musical theme. Seating includes a mix of booths and tables to accommodate different party sizes. We really liked staying in the Mighty Ducks area because the food court was literally across the street from our room. So it was really convenient. I didn't have to go all the way down to the Cinema Hall food court. So if you stay in the Mighty Ducks, don't be bummed because the food court is a hop, skip, and a jump. So on our check-in day, we actually decided to just hang around the resort and we went to the pool. It was a rainy day, unfortunately, but the rain is not gonna stop us from having a good time. And boy, did my kids have a good time. They had such a blast. We then went back into the room and I decided to do some meatball subs. To save some money, I do cook on my vacations. 2 meals a day, sometimes only 1, but usually I do cook quite a bit. It's just cost effective, to be honest. After that, we then had nap time and headed to the arcade. Since it had rained, the kids were splashing around the puddles and we were just walking around the resort. They have characters larger than life, and it is so fun for the kids to interact with all these characters. They also have a little splash pad area that we did not go, but I still wanted to film because I thought it was perfect for little ones. And right next to that, you can find the laundry. Now, the best part of the movie resort area has to be Andy's room, the Toy Story section. They are so huge. My kids loved it. I mean, a hotel where Buzz Lightyear is taller than your car and your kids think the pool is better than Magic Kingdom is a win-win situation. This resort also has a full playground. It is fantastic. And for my adults, the silver screen is an area where you can actually buy alcoholic beverage. Now, the Love Bug area was super fun as well, especially if you have someone who is just car obsessed. By the end of the night, we just went back to our room. I cooked some Annie's mac and cheese and called it a day. If you guys wonder what this piece is basically kind of like a crock pot. I carry it with me everywhere and make dinner. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I definitely recommend this hotel. It is such a fun way to have that full-on Disney magic. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.